Have you ever looked down at your arm, pulled the skin a little, and thought, wait a second, when did I start looking like a crumpled gift wrap? Don't panic, it's not just you. Crepey skin sneaks up on us all, and it doesn't ask for permission. It shows up on your neck, your arms, sometimes even your knees, like that one relative who pops up at family gatherings uninvited. And the worst part? Regular moisturizer doesn't seem to cut it. But here's the fun part. You don't need fancy $200 miracle creams or some futuristic Hollywood laser. In just 2 minutes, using things you probably already have at home, you can start tightening that crepey look naturally. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a quick fix that actually works, and no, it's not another miracle lotion commercial in disguise. So, what exactly is crepey skin? Well, imagine tissue paper compared to thick printer paper. One is thin, fragile, and wrinkles super easily. That's crepey skin. It happens when we start losing 2 key proteins, collagen and elastin. Collagen keeps your skin firm and bouncy. Elastin is what helps it snap back into place. But with age, too much sun, not enough hydration, or even eating too much sugar. Yep, sugar is sneaky. Our skin slowly loses these building blocks. On top of that, oil production naturally drops. And suddenly, the skin looks dry, saggy, and paper thin. But here's the good news. It's not permanent doom. Your skin is alive. It's constantly repairing itself. And with the right boost, it responds fast. That's where these quick, science-backed home tricks come in. Think of them as mini CPR sessions for your skin. Quick, easy, and surprisingly effective. Here's why a quick remedy actually works. Your skin cells aren't just sitting there. They're like little workers constantly rebuilding the surface. When you give them the right nutrition and moisture, they plump up and look smoother within minutes. For example, applying natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil creates a protective barrier, locking in hydration. Add a pinch of honey, that's a natural humectant. It pulls water from the air into your skin, instantly plumping fine lines. Then there's aloe vera gel. Studies show it helps boost collagen production and soothes thinning skin. Combine these with gentle stimulation, like a quick massage, and blood flow increases, feeding your skin cells oxygen and nutrients. Translation? You're basically giving your skin a mini spa treatment without leaving your bathroom. Science says skin loves consistency, but even one session can give you that fresh, firmer look in just minutes. All right, let's get practical. Here's your 2-minute crepey skin fix. Step 1. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix it with half a teaspoon of honey. If you got almond or coconut oil nearby, add just a couple of drops. Step 2. Apply this mixture directly to the area, whether it's your arms, neck, or even hands. Step 3. Massage in gentle, circular motions for 2 minutes. That massage is key because it boosts circulation and helps the ingredients sink deeper. What happens next? The aloe vera starts tightening, the honey draws in hydration, and the oil locks it all in. You'll literally feel your skin softening and looking less crinkly. If you have an extra 5 minutes, rinse it off with cool water, but if you're rushing, you can leave a thin layer on overnight. Bonus tip? For even faster results, lightly exfoliate the area with sugar and olive oil before applying the mask. It's like polishing the surface before painting. Smooths everything out beautifully. Now, here's the truth. 2 minutes can give you a quick improvement, but the long game is where the real magic happens. Think of crepey skin like a leaky tire. You can pump it up today, but if you never fix the leak, it'll deflate again. That's why daily habits matter. Drink enough water so your skin isn't begging for hydration. Add collagen-rich foods like bone broth, eggs, or fish into your meals. Even vitamin C from oranges or bell peppers helps your body rebuild collagen naturally. And here's a hack. Ditch the hot showers. They strip natural oils faster than a dish soap commercial, leaving skin even drier. Oh, and sunblock? It's your best friend, because nothing ages skin faster than UV rays. If you're smiling at this point, good, because here's the funny truth. Keeping skin youthful is less about finding the perfect $300 serum and more about simple, consistent habits. Or, as I like to say, your skin doesn't need a miracle. It just needs a routine that doesn't ghost it. Before I wrap up, here's one bonus trick. Try a quick egg white mask. Just whisk an egg white and apply it on the skin for 5 minutes. As it dries, it tightens instantly, giving that smooth, firm look, perfect before a big event. But remember, natural remedies work best with consistency, not just one-time fixes. And a quick caution, if you have allergies, always patch test before applying anything new to your skin. Now, here's the big takeaway. Crepey skin isn't a permanent sentence. With a few simple steps and just 2 minutes, you can boost hydration, tighten, and give your skin that healthy glow again. So try this remedy tonight, and tomorrow morning, take a look in the mirror. You might just notice the difference. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this with someone who's been Googling, "Why does my skin look like tissue paper?" and subscribe for more natural, science-backed fixes that keep you glowing.